I'm at the Hydel Park in Munnar today, situated right adjacent to the highway coming into Munnar. This is a beautiful park for families and honeymooners. Good stroll across with a lot of creations en route can be seen when you're walking down the entire stretch. A lot of development has happened over the years and it looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to show you today as to what can be expected when you're here. Thank you. There's a rose garden too. Wow, isn't that just wow? Amazing. Hundreds of years old. Grand Street. Recently in the park, a zipline has been introduced and it is drawing crowds, reasonably priced. That's the latest addition, 300 rupees for one sortie. This is a beautiful option for all the youngsters, even elders who wants to try a shot at the zipline. So that was the tour of Hydel Park at Munnar. Interesting, a lot of changes, a lot of developments. The park is looking much more beautiful than what it used to look years back. There is a huge parking facility which has come up very recently, and I'm sure we can park easily about 200 to 300 vehicles here. There's so much of space which has been created for that, which itself is a positive sign. There are activities which have come up within the Hydel Park. There is a small aqua show which is happening. There are games which is in place. There's a zipline which is active right now, and quite a few people are taking to it. Quite an interesting activity. And of course, the beautiful park, the beautiful pathways, a lot of interesting trees. It's a good place to spend time in the evening, probably along with the tea break towards the end of your day's tour. You can come down to the Hydel Park and stroll around. It's quite picturesque and quite nice. So that's Shailesh signing off until the next vlog. Bye-bye.